Kia ora koutou. April the 14th, Tuesday, and it's day 20 of our lockdown. COVID-19 remains a serious threat. As you can see, we still have new cases each day, and our unfortunate death count has gone up quite considerably over the weekend. The one thing I've been concentrating on just recently with all of the figures that we've got is that I'm looking at our recovery rates. 4 days on day 16, our recovery showed that we had 29% of our numbers had recovered from COVID-19. On day 18, that had gone up to 35.4%. And today, we have had 46% of our people throughout New Zealand with COVID-19 recovering. So that is the good news. However, if any of you feel that you have the symptoms, such as runny nose, sore throat, dry cough or a fever, please would you attend our COVID testing place, which is down at the Senior Citizens Hall, on either this coming Thursday, Saturday or Monday from 10 o'clock in the morning till 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Remember, it's not a normal health check. This is specifically for COVID-19 symptoms. Any other medical problems, please go as normal to your own doctor. Give them a phone call. This is important. And while I'm at it, a big thanks to all of those wonderful people who are manning the COVID testing stations, but also a big shout out to our medical staff. I especially want to mention Dr. Rachel Thompson down the coast in Te Kaha. She has been doing some really neat little videos for local people to learn and take heed of the COVID-19 messages. So my 2 words for this week are, I want to remain resolute, determined, purposeful and unwavering around what I need to do in level 4. And I want to show my resilience, which is the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties, the ability to withstand diversity and bounce back. And speaking about bouncing back, I want to say a big thank you to the Opotiki District Council CEO and senior managers who have been working on our recovery package program, which we're putting forward to central government today. They actually worked considerably long hours over this long weekend. And that's when I was busy digging my kumara and not being involved in council stuff for several of those days. So thank you, staff, thank you very much. Term 2 starts tomorrow. If you haven't already been contacted by your local schools that your children attend, please get in touch with them tomorrow. There's a lot going on, there's a lot to be organised, and they will be coming to you with learning packages, hopefully with some resources to help you through. And I know Opotiki College has already got up on its website the timetable for their senior students to be touching base with their subject teachers. So please check those out. The last thing I want to do today is I'm going to read you a comment from somebody who has submitted into one of the Opotiki community notice pages. She's somebody who lived here once for 6 months or stayed here for 6 months, and she's moved around New Zealand a lot and has about 6 different areas in the North Island that she keeps in touch with. So she's been watching what we have going on in our area. And this is what, and I'm going to read this is what she's written. Over this lockdown, all of the community pages have been popping up on my news feed. Opotiki is the only one that isn't negative or slinging mud at each other. You are the only one that seems to be being smart about this and still helping each other out where you can. The woman says, I am so impressed with you guys. So I decided to tell you, Opotiki, you rock. You will come through this in flying colours and stronger than before. If this was a top town competition, Opotiki would take the gold. Well done. And then she goes on and says, stay safe, stay sane, and stay at home. And on that good note, I say goodbye and I'll catch up with you Friday.